Right, this is bmaster.com, and wife of bmaster is now looking in the hive. We've put in our package today. It's probably around 40 degrees or so. The bees are feeding on the feeder that was in there. Very interesting. They're very kind of compact in there, but they're rather docile, I would say. Megan's going to make a few little cuts into the Ziploc bag so they can go ahead and just lap that up. Just want to drown them, however. Just there's the back. The air's kind of coming out, so hopefully that will.
I have two. How many do you want?
Two.
How many?
Did you ask Sister Radmo what to do?
I'm just
Oh
gonna
my
do
goodness.
two.
Okay,
I'm just gonna do two.
let them gush. Looks like it's kind of dripping on the bees there. They've covered the queen up. You can't really see the queen. She's taped there to the box, and they've totally covered her up. Into the and looks like they're trying to stay warm and get something to eat, and we'll kind of see what happens tomorrow. So once again, this is bmaster.com, and have a good day.